Diamond Street, Eltham. I think I might use type 3 bells. And not only that, I'm recording with my best friend.
Hi everyone.
Say hi to the boy. Say hi to the fans.
Hi fans.
Yep. Anyways, me and Mason will wait for the train. And the level crossing just started. Yeah, it's type 3 bells. No, like, go in front of the camera. What the? Get out! Not on my YouTube channel. Okay. Here's an alarm in the petrol station. Anyways, let's also we know what train it is.
Yep.
We're all gonna know what train this is, because it's the only train they have at this train line at Diamond Street in Eltham. It's that level crossing. Ignore that, it's the pedestrian crossings. Alright, here's the train. It's an X-Trapless 100 train. Mason, we hate that train, don't we?
Yep.
We hate that train.
That train looks stupid.
Yeah, it does.
It looks...
Okay.
Hey, stick the roof and grab it.
No. Not my YouTube channel. Okay. Okay. The level crossing's gone up. Now we go to the other side. Mason, other side. Okay, we're recording from this side now. And there shouldn't be traffic lights near level crossings.
Fuck, it's so cold.
And it is... Hey, no swearing.
It's so fucking cold.
Oi! Don't swear on my YouTube channel. Anyways, it's really rainy. We shall wait for the train. Again. Okay. Level crossing starting again. Hey. When the level crossing's going up, let's say level crossing's going up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next level crossing train video. Bye. Alright, okay? Just copy what I say. Alright. At the end. Alright. Okay, anyways. Let's see what's gonna happen. Damn, it's wet today.
Yeah, it's freaking raining.
I know. Hey. Yep, it's an X-Trapless 100 train. Alright. Level crossing's gone up. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
I'll see you guys in the next level crossing and train video.
Bye.
Bye. Damn, you did okay.